Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is day something or another, and we are getting there. I've just been cutting some trunking with my my Festool KS60, and we now have an outside socket. No scaffolding, by the way, which is good. We have also got walls painted. The plywood's a bit rough, but never mind. Apparently it's a workshop, so it doesn't matter. We have a few sockets. So to that wall, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on that wall. That's the pond supply. So the pond is going to be fed from here. There's the cable for it. This is temporary. This will all be sorted out later. 4-gang switch for the lights. Door going in here. That excuse for a workshop will be going soon. Not long to go now. Some more sockets on this side of the wall. And into our mains board, which has to be finished off. This is where the garage door is going to go. So we have this all fireboarded so that this is protected in case of a fire. And stairs, I had treated these with some Osmo Polyex, but unfortunately we've been up and down and plasterboarding and it's got dusty. So up here we have an LED panel. That's the first one. Excuse me. Walking slowly because my ankles are absolutely killing me. I think I've overdone it. Trunking, another 8 sockets on the trunking. We have 3 more LED panels, plus 1, 2 more in the bays, and some trunking in the bay windows. Over here I'm going to build a unit, and the X-Carve CNC will go in there. It will live in there. This wall here, you'll see the joint in the middle. That is where the wall will split, and this top piece will be taken down to give us a bit more openness. The Velux windows are electric, so once I've got the power, those will be controlled with a remote control. And then we have my little doorway, which currently has no safety barrier. So we look straight down. So I need to build a safety barrier. There's a view to the next door neighbours. Dreaded nasty garage. Sorry, old workshop. And a view of our front door. And there's the sign. Beware of the wife. I do feel that we need to warn visitors just in case. Windows are slightly opaque at the moment, but there's the windows. They should be fitted tomorrow. So, all in all, we have windows, door, window. So 2 windows, 1 door here. This is a fire door. So this will, when I get all the rubbish off the floor, will close. And then down here we've got another door, UPVC door to go there. And the doors, I've got this rather attractive cream coloured shiplap type or pine panelled type affair. So, oh, there's the Festool KS60. This is an amazing tool. It's got a light, an LED, and it shows you exactly where the cut will be. So on a piece of, if I push this down, you can see exactly where the cut's going to be and where the teeth are. And if you look closely, you can actually even see the teeth. So you can get a very accurate cut. It's a wonderful piece of equipment. So I think that's enough for today. We will resume later.